Hi guys, I hope you're doing okay and staying safe. So the first time I did my bulk shopping was in mid-March when the outside was still open, like I could go to the supermarket. I also went to the market myself, but this time around I realized that I didn't have a lot of items in my house and I needed to stock up a bit. However, I was doing this on a budget, so that's one important thing to note. So I was like looking for the cheapest products, and so what I did is I checked out 3 websites, which is Carrefour, Naivas and Foodplus Chandarana. So I had a list of the things that I needed in my home, and also I came up with this little table here to help me like get the prices and compare delivery fees and all that stuff. So I settled on Foodplus Chandarana because one, it was the cheapest amongst the 3 of them, and also it's like near my house, so I thought like it would like be a bit reasonable for the delivery fee cost. So in this video I'm going to share with you my first time grocery online shopping, like tell you the pros, the cons, like my first time experience. I did record when I was like adding everything on the site and also the delivery and all that stuff. So guys, let's get into this video. Okay, another thing I would like to mention is I was a bit skeptical about the quality of the vegetables. So what I did is I ordered a sample of their lime. Unfortunately, the lime was not available when my order was delivered, but I'll talk about that later in the video. Okay guys, so when you search the Chandarana supermarket, yeah, so this is what you get depending on your location, and then you find their website. So that's their website, and then when you click on the website you can actually like see the things they have on their website, their info, all that stuff. And then the store features like what they have inside, fruit, vegetables, whatever that is. And then in-store bakery, okay, I think the wine. And then you have the offers. Oh my god. Okay, yeah. And then now we have this online shopping. Now this is what we are talking about today. So when you click on the online shopping, it takes you to a different website, which is this grocerypick.com. and then I had registered already, so I put in my email, and then they send an OTP. That's the one-time PIN every time you try to log in. So they sent the one-time PIN and I logged in, and this is where I started to shop. I'm sorry I had to do that because I have to cover my location. And then guys, so this is how the website looks like. Yeah, you have everything you need for kila category: noodles, biscuits, personal care, fruits and vegetables, basically everything you need. Baby and kids, everything, like dry foods, herbs, everything. Wine, yeah, wine, like you can get wine and pombe delivered to your house in case you also don't want to go out. I'ma send you a Buddha guy. Yeah, okay, so we're just like going straight into my shopping. And now the first thing, like as I said earlier guys, I already had my list, so I was so specific on what I needed, and the first thing was milk, of course. So I'm just like going to scroll to show you guys like when you search milk, like what you get, because I feel like that's important too, in my opinion. Yeah, you have all these options: the cooking coconut, the whole milk. Yeah, you have the biscuits, Nuvita. Basically you just have a lot of stuff going on here. Yani unaletwa mpaka mafuta, that's lotion if you need some lotion. But here I was getting the 4-pack. The 4-pack is by KCC that I just added to my cart, and then on to the next. Yeah, I'm so addicted to these wafers because naitwa wafer ma wafer, I don't know honestly. Yeah, I was looking for yogurt, wanakuletea all the options, and then I need a probiotic yogurt. Yeah, so you can also be specific with your keywords. Yeah, unaona, when you're specific it's more easier for you to be able to shop easily. I wasn't having the cucumber yogurt, and then I also can't spell this. No, I mean type, sorry. So I had to go the other route ya kutafuta kwa list. Yeah, so you need to be specific with your spellings as well when you're typing, just in case. And please, can anyone try to shop on their mobile phone and let us know how it works? And then I was looking for maziwa lala, and then hawakuwa na the product that I buy. Like I buy the Brookside maziwa lala. I think you guys, most of us use it. The white one, yenye sometimes it's sweetened. No, yenye wako like na sweetened, and then the other one haikuwa. So I decided to look for it, and unfortunately haikuwa available. So I ended up going with the other, with the Tuzo one. I believe it's from the same company as well. Hey manze, I'm telling you, things are so expensive right now. You actually feel like you are in an abusive relationship with this Kenyan economy, you know. Anyway, I was looking for coffee. Hawakuwa with not the specific coffee that I use, so I had to use the Domans. And then the ngwashe. Hey, I'm telling you, these ngwashes were delivered, 4 of them at 139 bob guy. Yeah, the mint leaves that expired after 2 days. So as this is the last stage of your shopping, I inserted my details. I ended up with 34 items. So nikaeka, as you see the time, I was shopping on 27th, no, on 26th, and then delivery was on 27th up to 1st, so you could choose any day, and then the M-Pesa on delivery. Yeah, and then that was it guys, that was it. Guys, so I'm just like going to share real quick my experience shopping on this website. So first of all, as you guys have already seen, as I was putting in my products, you can see like the website is a user-friendly website. Like the interface is so user-friendly and anyone can actually use it without any complications, because you see you are able to search the product you need. For instance, if you need maziwa, you can like search milk, and then you're going to choose the milk that you want. So I'm going to tell you the pros and cons and who's the target user or buyers. Number 2 is they have coupon codes. So for instance, if you maybe follow a certain influencer or myself, if I have a code that you guys can use to get a certain percentage off, let's say like maybe 5% off your shopping, you can actually insert that. I noticed some of the websites don't have that, like the quick and prompt delivery, guys. So the website, I'm going to show you. So the website allows you to choose a time where you want your products, your goods to be delivered, right? So as you can see, I was doing my shopping on Sunday, so they were supposed to deliver. I think they don't have deliveries from Sunday, so they were supposed to deliver the following day, which I received my goods at a few minutes before 6 p.m. and my time frame was between 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. so to me that's prompt service because I was already expecting the goods. So the other thing is I was able to pay on delivery. They didn't charge me upfront. I tried to pay upfront but it wasn't possible. So again, I feel like that's a good thing. Good customer service, like their customer service is A1. So as I mentioned earlier, I tried to test the vegetables part by buying lime. Unfortunately, the lime wasn't available, and so the customer service, the customer care guy called me and asked me if they would replace it with maybe another type of lime, which I declined politely. Also, another product wasn't available, and then they asked me if they could replace it with the one that was available, and I was like okay. And then the guy who delivered actually hakupotea, because as I said, like the supermarket is just like near my house, and then he didn't even call or bother me with anything. He just like came, I had a knock on my door, and then I got my goods. So the cons of shopping online, or basically like having your grocery shopping done online, I'm going to mention a few. This is according to me. The first thing is you can't feel the quality of whatever you're buying. Yes, I know, for me especially, because I was like on a budget, I was like working with a budget, I already knew the things I wanted, and of course there are things that I buy all the time. However, for the vegetables, I sometimes buy my vegetables from the supermarket and fruits, but this time I wasn't able to because I was afraid of, I didn't know what I could receive, you know. Jusio wewe unajichagulia. Mimi, I'm the type of people who I want to feel the onions, I want to feel the ngwashe, I want to feel, you know, whatever. Yeah, so the options were kind of low. It's not like when you walk in a supermarket and then you can actually, like, you know, unaguza kitu and then unarudisha, you know, like the customer behavior, right? Yeah, so I had to work with the few that I had on the website. However, sio kidogo sana na sio mingi sana, so it's just there, it's just there. So the other thing is huwezi kupata offer, and by huwezi kupata offer is like some people like we love like those products and it's gonna offer, like for instance Colgate, you know, tissues. Like for me, I use Tenor tissues because mostly, it's not like, this is not really the reason, but mostly they come with like this, which is somehow they say it's a free product, of which I know it's not a free product, but yeah. Also sometimes inakuja na kitchen roll, so this time I had to kauka and get the 10-pack. Yeah, also some products were missing, so I ended up not like doing full shopping. I still like have a few things missing in the house, but I don't know how I'll sort that. Yeah, so that's it. And now for the target clients or buyer or whatever, guys, it's basically anyone who can afford to work in a supermarket. I'm sure like if you can afford to go in a supermarket and do your shopping, you can also afford to do the online shopping and prevent like going out. Like there is absolutely no reason for you to go out right now. I feel like it's safer for you to pay a 200 bob to get, you know, the stuff delivered to your house without making any movements or any human contact. So guys, I'm going to see you on my next video. I'm not sure what I'll be trying, but of course I'll be trying something, and you guys also can go like check my description, I mean my channel's description, so you can get a bit more of what I'll be doing now. Yeah, see ya soon, love you.